Digital picture frames are a great idea, but then you have to mess with the SD cards and all that kind of stuff, and that's no fun. What you really want to do most of the time is take this, a picture of your lovely daughter or maybe your son or your family, and magically travel it from your home, in our case Colorado, to Oregon, to be at your parents' house so they can enjoy the pictures of your family and friends in your life away from home without having to check Facebook. So today we're talking about the Skylight Digital Picture Frame. Is it the best digital picture frame out there? Watch our review to find out more. And as always, if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe. Let's dive in. Today we are looking at Skylight. We're going to be setting this up here live so you can see how it all works. Never set this up before. I haven't even opened up the box, so let's just dive right in and see how it all works. So this may be a little messy. I've never done something this way. That's cool. It says treasured moments await. I like that a lot. That's pretty cool. One thing I really liked about this was that it's a touch screen. It should be really easy to set up. And the coolest thing is that it actually allows you to set it up where you can email pictures to your family. So here's the actual screen itself. Comes very, very nicely wrapped. As you can see here. Started with Skylight. Before using Skylight, it says you'll need a unique Skylight email address. Please go to ourskylight.com, activate and set up your unique email address and receive your 6-digit activation code. So I got my computer over here. I'm going to do this real quick. Enter your personal email address here. So I'm just going to enter my email address. Next step, put in your phone number and put in a password. And then it asks you to put in a frame setup password. So let's just see here. Maybe I'll put in a nice little name like something about our family name in here. Okay, then it asked me to upgrade to Skylight Plus, which I'm not quite sure I want to do yet. So let me just skip that for right now. Then it tells you to download the app, which I will here in just a second. Use my phone to record. Okay, so then it gives us a activation code, which I won't show because I don't want you guys all to see my activation code here. Okay, so it says connected to Wi-Fi. So I assume it needs to be plugged in. Right? Yeah, it needs to be plugged in. Let's get that rocking and rolling. This is a heavy-duty power supply here, if you're ever wondering. Just plug it into this little hole here. Make sure my power supply is turned on. Oh, yeah, there we go. And it's powering up. There's a couple little buttons on the back. I'm sure it'll walk me through what those are for here in just a second, but a couple little buttons. There is a power button, forward, backwards, sound, play, and a menu button right there. It also looks like it comes with a nice little doodad here to help keep it cool. So then it's asking me for my Wi-Fi. So my Wi-Fi here is this one. Asks me to put in the password for it. It's nice and touchscreen, which is pretty cool. Trying to connect to it. I'm keeping the plastic on because I'm going to send this as a GIF, which would be kind of cool. Okay, so it says enter my Skylight code, which is pretty cool. I've got it actually on my computer screen over here. I don't want you guys to send me any photos. Okay, so then it says to start, send photos to, and then it gives me the name of the personal email address that we have. So let's just try send that over there. Okay, so I don't know if you can see this, but I'll just try it real quick here. See how long this takes. We're doing this in real time. I've never done this before, obviously. I personally use Google Photos to do a lot of the photos I do, so I got a really cute picture of my daughter here. Well, I'm sure you'll see it actually if we this all works. But so I've got a unique email address that I'm sending this to. Okay. So my message was sent. It'll show me here to wait for the email address to go. Message sent on my computer. Let's see. Now I did send a HEIC file, which is the Apple, but it may cause me some problems, but we'll see. We're just testing this out here. Oh, cool. Here it is, right here. Didn't take very long at all. You guys see that? That is pretty darn cool. That's a picture of my daughter that we just posted this morning. Just hit this morning. You saw how long it takes. It took about a minute for it to show up. That is pretty darn cool. I'm sure my parents will love seeing the pictures. Let's do it again just for fun. I'm sure we can do it on our phones as well. Let's see here. Let's find that picture and let's just time it and see how long it takes here. Got a lot of fun pictures of my daughter. Let's send one of my daughter and my wife. That's a good one here. And I did send the HEIC file, which is interesting. That worked. So once again, I'm just sending the email to the unique email, or an email to the unique email address that it has. And Apple likes to create live movies and all that kind of stuff. But I'm just gonna send the high efficiency file, and we'll try videos here in just a second and see how that works. All right, so it is 8:12 p.m. my time. I like to work on these videos after the kids have gone to sleep. See how long it takes to show up. We can try out videos here in just a second too. Let's try a video over it. I'll post a video. I'll send a video here. Let's see. I have a pretty funny video of my son. He was crying because we got this new Tovala oven. Actually, this is funny. This is my daughter. She was doing a workout video. So it hasn't shown up yet. I'll upload a video. Let's see how big this video is. This video is 20 megabytes big, so let's see if that actually works too. So I've still got, if you can see here, I've got the picture of my daughter. Oh, look, there's a new one. So, wow, it's like 1 minute is what it took literally for that to work. That's pretty cool. I don't know if you can see that better over here or in this front camera, but let's see if there's more photos. You can swipe through it just like you can with Google or whatever. There's a gallery view. This is the first time I've ever used this, so this is pretty slick. This works so well. That's really cool. That works out super well. You can also hit love if you love that, and tell my email address that we love that video. I think my mom will really like this. So the cool thing is, just I don't know if you noticed this, but you can plug it into any USB type port here, which is pretty nice. It also comes with a charger. And there's nothing else in the box. It's got a quick start guide. It tells you about some of the features here. And it's got this little plastic holder on here so it can hold it up. And that's it. It's pretty simple. I still haven't seen if this video is coming in yet. Let's see here. See new photos. Oh yeah, there's my daughter doing her workout video. That's pretty funny. She's doing her exercises. Once again, I'm leaving the plastic on here just so you can see it, but also because I'm gonna send this to my mom. That's awesome. She's doing her workout video there. That is super cool. I wonder if does it know which way it's turned? No, it doesn't. Oh, it actually we have sound here. Let's see. Okay.
Sissy, how do you do your exercises?
That's pretty cool. That is really cool. I can imagine that the screen quality is amazing. If you can see that, that is a really high quality screen. Got the plastic over. I know to make sure it doesn't get all scratched out before I send it to him. But I'm super impressed that this works so well and it's just that easy. I also really like that when you give it to your parents, if that's what you're doing with it, that they will be able to just use the touchscreen. Like if they can use an iPhone, they can set this up. They can do videos. Oh yeah, here you go. So these guys videos. If I could read that first, I would be able to tell you that. So Skylight Plus has upgraded access to these features. Emailing photos is always free, but if you upgrade, you can send video, cloud captions, or text captions, cloud backup, online access, and the mobile app. So $39 a year extra for Skylight Plus. Otherwise, it's free to send photos. So videos would not work unless you paid for the extra service. But here's just a quick setup. Super easy to set up. I really like that a lot. That's nice and easy. And then you just connect it. Connect to your Wi-Fi and share those photos. That's pretty cool. So I'm gonna send this to my parents, and they'll basically just use their Wi-Fi, and I'm sure they will love it. And I'll try and get a video of them using it to see how easy it was. But hope my mom likes this for Mother's Day. It's a really cool gift idea. Really great quality. Really, I really like digital picture frames, but the thing that I don't like is you have to usually use a SD card, or they're really complicated to set up. Anyone can use this. I'll put the price down below, and it's a great deal. And if you have a loved one that would like to see photos of you more often, let's check this out and spread it out. But it's great. If you have any questions or comments, we hope you leave them in the section below. Once again, thanks again for checking out this video. We hope to see you again real soon.